Samsung LockStar module include the amazing unlock animation effect in the latest update. So if you have any Samsung One UI 8.5 device, you can apply this amazing LockStar effect on your Samsung device. So first of all, you need to download and install this APK file of the LockStar that is available link in the description. So just download it and install it on your Samsung phone, and you can apply this amazing lock screen animation effect or and other always on display settings for the brightness. So let's see. First we so open the GoodLock on your device. We already installed this LockStar module. So here you can see what the changes in the latest One UI 8.5 update for the LockStar. So now in the LockStar, tap on the I button. Now first we see all the details available in this update on my phone. Make sure internet is working on your device. Now tap on the three dots, tap on a go to store, and here you can see the what's new option 8.5.00.8 update for the Lockstar on your device. So tap on arrow, newly supported on One UI 8.5. So make sure the device running the One UI 8.5 beta. Added the new unlock animation effects. Full screen AOD models added support for manual AOD brightness adjustment. Or if you have a One UI 8 or higher, added the text feature. Bug fix fingerprint effect issue, added adjustment for wide corner rounding. Now let's see with the all important updates in the Lockstar plugin on the GoodLock. So we already installed. You can download it from the link in the description. Just install it. Now lock my Samsung device and apply amazing lock animation effect. So tap and hold the lock screen. Now unlock my Samsung device. Now here you can find the Lockstar option. So just tap on it and you can see the new animation, unlock animation option, add text. Also when you tap on always on display, you can see the AOD auto brightness. So let's see one by one all new changes in the Lockstar. So first we tap on the unlock animation. Now toggle on the option on your device. Now you can see the list of different animation type available. So let's see one by one. First is the slide. Here you can change up or down direction, left, right. You want to change the direction in the slide. Also you can see the animation type, increase or decrease the animation type, speed you want to slow or medium. So this is the default set. Also you can see the interpolator, just default. Here you can select the effect as in, easy out. Also you can see the linear effect, bouncer effect, custom effect you want to set. So this is the all customization in the slide effects. Now you can see the list of different effect, expand effect. Here you can see how it looks. Here you can also set it animation or interpolator, spread effect. In the spread effect you can see the different option, circle, flower effect like this, heart effect like this. So you can see the three different shape in the spread effect. Also change the color, like we select orange color. Now you can see flower orange color. So you can also customize color in the spread effect. So you can select the shape in the spread effect, color. Also increase animation time and a custom effect you want to set, like bouncer effect. So you can customize this amazing animation type spread you want to apply. Wave effect, here you can see the wave effect. Also you can see the wrap effect, ripple effect, mosaic effect. Here you can increase or decrease the intensity of the effect you want on your device. Animation type, also bouncing setting set, flexible, medium or elastic you want to set. In the pad effect you can see the animation type, wiper effect. In the wiper effect you can also adjust the color you want to set. The wiper effect, animation type, also bounce setting you want to set, like here we select 6. Now you can see how it looks. So paint effect, here you can also set the paint stages you want to set like this quickly. So the paint effect. So you can customize all these amazing unlock animation effect in the latest Lockstar update on your GoodLock module on a Samsung One UI 8.5 device. So if you have One UI 8.5, just apply this amazing animation effect, glitch. Here you can set the noise sizes, you can increase or decrease it, animation time. So this is the all available animation time effect you can apply to unlock the your lock screen on your Samsung device. So select the animations type from the available option you want to set, customize it to around. Now go back again, tap on the LockStar, and here you can see the add text option. So you can add the text you want to set. So here we add the text also, my channel name. Here we add, tap on OK button. Now here you can customize your text. Just tap on it. You can move the text like this on the lock screen. Like we add the here, you can also customize it. Change the font. Currently only 3 or 4 option is available. So select the font style on your lock screen. You want to add font, default font, or for other style. Increase or decrease the text style you want to set. So like we decrease the text size like this on my font. So you can increase or decrease the text size. Also text alignment, center, left or right you want to set. Text alignment, transparency, increase or decrease the transparency of the text in the lock screen. So you can change the color of your text. So very different type of customization available also in the text on your device. So easily set it you want to set on your device. So you can add the text in the always on display. You can see the new brightness option. So tap on the LockStar. Now tap on the always on display option, and here you can see the AOD auto brightness option on your device. Just tap on it, and you can at the bottom you can see the automatically AOD auto brightness. If you don't want to set automatically, just toggle up it, and you can manually increase or decrease the brightness of always on display on your Samsung on your 8.5 using this GoodLock LockStar update on your device. So if you want to manually set, just toggle up it, otherwise toggle on it to automatically set the AOD auto brightness on your device. So this is the all amazing LockStar update in the latest version. To download and install it on your Samsung One UI 8.5 device and apply it. After set, just tap on the done, the top right corner, and you can see the this amazing effect apply to the your Samsung Galaxy device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.